Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive along US Route 421 between the small Kentucky communities of Bedford and Campbellsburg. This stretch of road passes through the quiet countryside of northern Kentucky, where farmland, wooded hills, and small towns reflect a landscape shaped by more than 2 centuries of settlement. US Route 421 is part of a long north-south highway that stretches from Michigan all the way to North Carolina. In Kentucky, the route connects a number of rural communities, linking travelers with both the Ohio River region and the interior of the state. Today, the road serves local traffic, farmers, and commuters, but its path often follows much older travel corridors that were used long before the modern highway system existed. During the 19th century, most residents in this part of Kentucky depended on agriculture. Farmers raised corn, tobacco, and livestock on the fertile land throughout the region. Roads connecting towns like Bedford and Campbellsburg were essential for transporting crops and supplies, often linking farms to markets along the nearby Ohio River. Travel in the early years of Kentucky statehood looked very different from what we see today. Dirt wagon roads wound through the countryside, following natural ridges and valleys. Stagecoaches, horseback riders, and freight wagons carried mail, passengers, and goods between communities. Over time, many of these early routes were improved and eventually became part of Kentucky's growing network of highways. When the United States introduced its numbered highway system in 1926, routes like US Route 421 became part of a nationwide effort to standardize and improve long-distance travel. Over the decades, these roads were widened, paved, and modernized, making travel between rural communities faster and more reliable. Today, driving between Bedford and Campbellsburg offers a peaceful look at Kentucky's rural character. The quiet highways and open countryside reflect a slower pace of life compared with the busy metropolitan areas nearby. It is a reminder of how many American communities developed around farming, local trade, and regional travel routes. Thanks for watching!